Welcome. Today in front of me Motorola Moto G50, and I'll show you how to enable the ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and tap to the sound section. Here we got the ring and notification volume section. Just to enable your ringtone volume, swipe with your finger these dots to the right side. And also we got the second way. Just here we got the volume buttons on the right side of your phone. Just press on your volume up or down button and you'll see here the settings icon. Just go there and by the same way swipe with your finger these dots to the left, to the right, sorry, and just tap to done to save your changes. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.